Daikin oil chiller units provide a variety of different ways it can troubleshoot alarms on the unit as far as for low voltage, oil flow, and also cooling issues. To access your alarm history, you will hold the right-hand button until you see the alarms pop up. This will give you the ability to scroll up and down through each alarm in the history to help with the diagnosis. To get out of the alarms, you'll press the enter button all the way to the left and you'll be back into your standard mode screen. With a U2 alarm, you have two main reasons for the cause of the alarm. One would be an issue with the main voltage coming into the unit. The second would be a CPU error or damaged board. When diagnosing a U2 alarm, you'll need to remove the top panel, go to the main voltage, incoming, remove the plastic cap, check leg to leg to ensure your voltage is at 200 between legs, and then also check each leg to ground to ensure there is no short in the wiring. If voltage is good and there is no shorts in the unit, it will be your CPU board. When the problem with the chiller has been remedied, you will have to cycle the machine power, allow for 10 seconds, and then power back up, and the alarm on the chiller unit should be clear.